I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting up your build. Equip the Lightning Throw mod to the weapon you intend to use, because the mod governs damage and behavior. Once done, make sure your character has roughly 50% energy or stamina so you can chain the move without interruption. You should also practice the specific Xbox input sequence. Confirm which button or trigger executes the throw, since consistent inputs reduce failed attempts and let you focus on timing and aim. You now perform the layered execution. Engage from medium range because Lightning Throw has travel time and works best where it can arc through targets. Start with an opener, dash, stun, or short disable. This creates a window to land the throw reliably. Then input the throw sequence on Xbox, holding your aim for a fraction longer to account for travel. If you need to, slightly lead moving targets. This reduces misses and increases critical hit chances. You finish by capitalizing on hits. Immediately chain a close-range strike or your secondary ability to maximize combo damage, because Lightning Throw often leaves enemies staggered. If throws miss, check 3 things: network latency, your aim offset, and whether your input timing is off, and correct whichever is causing the miss. If problems persist, remap the input or tweak controller sensitivity. Then test in a non-hostile area to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.